family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I'm back with another Doernbecher Freestyle review. Y'all know I love dunks, right? So in this video, we're going to review the Nike Dunk High Macey's. This is from a young lady named Macey. I'm trying to remember her last name. We'll get it before the video over. And it's cool, man. I really like it. A whole bunch of flowers. You got a cookie on the tongue. Mad shoelaces. You know we always love a lot of shoelaces. Macey has narcolepsy. Narcolepsy, yeah. She has a brain tumor in her head. And wonderful story, man. I love this Doernbecher stuff. I know y'all be here for the hype stuff, and I do give y'all the hype stuff. But I love to give y'all stuff like this too. So right here it says she believed she could, so she did. That's a family mantra. Sneaker dope, man. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So again, like I said on my last Doernbecher video, I know the one that was hyped this year was the Jordan 3. And I do like that sneaker. I like the slime look on it. Like I said, I went for all of them. You get what you get. I just try to help these kids' illusions and their drawings come to life. That's why I try to purchase all of them. I didn't get those, but today we got the Macey joints. And again, just like the one from the last video, not for me. I did get my size though. So I will be giving this away to another young lady that wears a size 12. Let's get it, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get the same Doernbecher Freestyle box. This rarely never changes. I mean, every year, from year to year, changes sometime. But this is the same one from last year. I showed y'all the Jordan 1 dunk, the Jordan 1 low, or was just a dunk low, the zebra joint. That was fire too. So you get Doernbecher Freestyle, Doernbecher on each sides of the lid. And it reads Nike Dunk High DBXIX. The XIX is for the Doernbecher. I think that's 30, 20 years, 25. Doernbecher been out that long? That's wild. But it's multicolor. And that's it for the box on the outside. When you flip open the lid, you get this dope picture of Macey, man. Nice picture. I love that Nike does this. And it says age 15, hometown, Yacote, Washington. Yacote, WA. It's escaping me what WA is. Diagnosed brain tumor, narcolepsy. Shoe, Nike Dunk High. When you finish reading that, you get your Freestyle Doernbecher paper. But in this one, as I told y'all, the cookie is on the tongue. This is her cookie recipe for chocolate chip cookies. Nike is so dope, man. It reads Macey's chocolate chip cookies, Macey bodily. Doernbecher 2023. Here's a 360 view of the Nike Dunk High Doernbecher by Macey. I keep wanting to say Macy's like the store, but Macey with an E. So what creeps up the back right there is the cancer awareness ribbon. I know this a lot because my grandmother died from cancer, man. Cancer, someone has to find a cure for that, man. But you get that there in a nice gray. That's for cancer survivors. You got the gray there. The whole sneaker is really like just a floral look, but I wanted to start there, guys. Bringing it to the toe box, you get a white Nike Dunk High toe box. The leather is nice leather, guys. This ain't cheap leather. I like the leather. No tumbleness, but white leather. Around there is when the floral hits start coming in. And it reminds me of like sequins. If you remember that material, sequins, you don't really see that in sneakers a lot, but it's some glitter. Yeah, most of the flowers have like a little glittery hit. Almost every pattern has a little bit of that glitter sequence look on the floral. The swoosh here, pink, nubuck suede swoosh, closer to a Chanel patch, but definitely nubuck suede. Nice pink look, sandwiched in on the white. The florals on the outside, you got a white background. So traditional Nike Dunk High or Jordan 1 look with the sandwich white in the background. No tumbleness again, just flat leather. Coming around, you get more of the flowers. I already showed y'all the Cancer Survivor ribbon there. Come to the back, you still get more of the flowers. You got the pink match up here because it combines both swooshes in and out. Regular Nike Dunk look here. The sock line is also in that same pink nubuck that you get in the swoosh. Matching it up. I like that look. This is stiff, man. Coming to the front, the tongue. They got a big picture of the cookie. Try to get this out. This is tight, man. But there you go. The cookie's there. I showed y'all the recipe earlier. So you got a cookie on the tongue. Soft tongue, but they lace these up nice, man. Let's try to get to the inside. The inside has the same floral pattern that you get on the outside. And yeah, it has a big pink flower dead in the middle. Instead of saying like Nike Air or whatever, you just got a big pink flower in the middle. The bottom is also in that light pink, so it looks kind of white, but it does have pink sparkles on the bottom. And I always tell you, if you see one Jordan High or one Nike Dunk low or high, you always get this bottom. That was the left. This is the right. They both have the mantra handwritten at the bottom, reading, "She believed she could, so she did." It looks handwritten. Very dope, man. Very nice. But everything matches up from right to left, except on the left shoe, you get all these shoelaces. So you get the nice white, like these are the luxury shoelaces here. And then you get the pink ones, and then you get like a lighter pink ones. You know, very dope, man. I like the white shoelaces that come in, but I think one of these would get a sneaker a little more praise. You know, make it pop a little. You do get the same cookie on the tongue. And everything else matches up, guys. Even the inside with the floral and the pink flower there. Man, fighting a brain tumor. These kids are so strong, man. Yes, sir, man. So let me know if you went for any of the Doernbecher Freestyle joints this year. What was your favorite? I know the Jordan 3s is at the top, everybody's favorite. But the Air Max big bubble joints I did in my last video, I'm digging these, man. I really like these. If they was more, I guess, unisex, like more of like a light blue instead of like the fuchsia pink, I think this sneaker would be more sought after. But they let the patients do what they wanted to do, and I really, really like that, man. So yeah, these sneakers went for, I think, $115, $125 shipped to me in New York. I didn't check resale. I don't plan on selling them. Like I said, I'm going to give them away. But dope sneaker, man. I mean, some people are really into Dunk Highs, especially women. And I think this is a sneaker you should put in your shoe collection, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.